Welcome to Village Hair Studio. I wanted to show everyone my brand new blow dryer. I was so excited when I got this. This is the Amika Alpha blow dryer. It comes in such a beautiful box. It is available on our website, www.thevillagehairstudio.com, but I wanted to share this with you. If you know me, you know how excited I get about my hot tools. I absolutely love this dryer, so I'm going to show this and share this with you. Amika does such wonderful packaging that it does help create that extra sense of excitement. So here we go. Look at this. It's so pretty. I thought it came with nozzles, but apparently we're in 2021 and these are called air compressors. So we now have two options. One a little bit thinner than the other, one a little bit thicker. Truthfully, I probably won't use the thicker one. I will always use the smaller nozzle. And let's take this beautiful blow dryer out of the box and show you. Not only does it come with a gorgeous matte black finish, but it also has rose gold detailing, which is never a bad thing. The nozzle clamps on, just give it a little bit of a push. And the beautiful thing about this dryer is there's no on and off switch. We use a revolving handle here to adjust from hot to cold and from extra air to less air. There you go, my beautiful new dryer. You'll all be seeing this in the salon soon. I cannot wait to blow dry your hair.